friends, welcome to Shirl's Foodies. I'm back with another quick and simple recipe, that is Methi Pulao. So the ingredients that we require to make this pulao are 1 cup of methi. I've washed them well, and here I have a medium sized onion finely chopped into slices, few coriander leaves, 15 to 16 curry leaves, half a cup of green peas. Here I have 3 tomatoes. I'll chop them finely and then add it to the pulao. Here I have some whole spices. I've taken 3 to 4 green cardamom, few cinnamon sticks, cumin seeds, 1 black cardamom, few black peppers. Here I have mace. We're going to use all these whole spices. Then we'll take 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Then the dry spices that we need are half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. So let's start making the pulao. So first of all, in a pan we'll add in a little bit of oil, at least 2 tablespoons of oil. Then we'll add in all the whole spices to it. Then we'll just saute them for a while. Then to it we'll add in curry leaves. Then we'll add in onion and mix it well. Now we'll saute the onions until they are nice and light pinkish in color. So now we'll add in coriander leaves. I've chopped them finely. Just mix them quickly. Now we'll add green peas. Then to it we'll add methi. And then we'll mix it well. Cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now to it we'll add in the ginger garlic paste. All the dry spices, that is turmeric powder, garam masala, and red chili powder. We'll mix all these ingredients well. And now we'll add in tomato. I've finely chopped these tomatoes as I told you earlier. To it we'll add in salt to taste. And then mix it well. Now we'll cover it with a lid and then cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Here I have 1 cup of rice soaked in water. I soaked it about 15 minutes earlier. And here the vegetables have cooked well. Now we'll add in the rice. Just mix it well. Now do it. We'll add 2 cups of water. Now mix it well for a while. And cook it on high flame. When it comes to a boil, cover it with a lid and then cook it on low flame until the rice has cooked well. So friends, here you can see the methi pulao is ready. It looks nice and tasty. Now we'll serve it in a plate. So friends, here I have served the methi pulao with salad. You can even have it with achar. This recipe is really very simple, so do try this recipe at home. So friends, if you like this simple and easy recipe, make sure you hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. If you are new to my channel or if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing and new recipes. Thanks for watching.